Alright guys, what's up? It's me. Now today we're going to be reviewing the Muppets Lego minifigures blind bags. I have 8 of them here and I'm going to see if I can collect them without getting any doubles. The ones I already have are Fozzie Bear, pretty cool looking, nicely detailed. Animal with the drum set. Gotta have Animal. And of course, Kermit with his banjo there. Those are the only ones I have. Well, not for long. Here's bag number 1. Let's just see. Now let's see who we get. Oh, it looks like we have Beaker. Nice. Let me just see if there's any. Oh, yep. There's something in the bag still. I think it says walkie-talkie. Now let's see if we can assemble Beaker here. Beaker is one of my favorites. Gotta love Beaker. There he is. Beaker right there. I'll just put him on here. Put him right there in his walkie-talkie. There we go. Gotta love Beaker, man. Here, Beaker, get your walkie-talkie. Look at him. Beaker. Pretty tall figure, tall head. Pretty cool Muppet. Beaker's probably my favorite character. Put him right there. Alright, let's see what this checklist is all about, even though I already saw it, just to show you guys. Alright, it seems like we got all these characters, and then in the back, it shows you how to build, like, I guess, the difficult ones. Especially that drum set right there with Animal. But yeah, the backs are all the same, the fronts are all the same. So we're just gonna slide that over. Bag number 2. Let's see what we get. No doubles, hopefully. Oh, nice. Looks like we get Wolf. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. Anything in the bag? Nope. Checklist the same. Look at that. Rolf. Or Rolf. Oh, damn it. He goes flying. Look at that. Wow, that's pretty interesting. Huh. There's Rolf. Pretty cool. Kind of one of the most basic characters. It's just pretty much brown with a bit of detail on the head. The ears. Go ahead and put him on his base. And then he also comes with this Beethoven. His Beethoven statue. And has 2 faces. One's asleep and one's awake. Don't know if you could see that. Barely. There we go. Look at him. And then you get this music sheet. Pretty cool accessories. I'm gonna actually slide them over right here. No doubles yet. That's good. There we go. There's Rolf. Bag number 3. Oh, Miss Piggy. Nice. Alright, well, it seems like we got Miss Piggy. Let's build her without making her go fly away. Oh. There's Miss Piggy. Yeah, if you want to feel for Miss Piggy, just feel for the head. It's pretty large. Or you can feel her little poster that she has. Let's see if we can get her to hold it. Oh, there we go. Put her on the base right there. Bag number 4. No doubles yet. Pretty good. Alright. Oh, we got Swedish Chef. You guys didn't see that, but we got Swedish Chef. Let's see if we can build him. Swedish Chef. If you guys want to find Swedish Chef, just feel for his hat. Oh yeah, Swedish Chef. And he comes with this little tomato or rat, like whatever you want to call it. A beetroot, whatever. He's happy. He's about to probably get chopped up into bits. And then there's Swedish Chef. If I can get him to hold this. There we go. Swedish Chef. Nicely done. All right, bag number 5. Oh, nice. We got Gonzo. Look at him. We got Gonzo here. Look at him. He has some peppers on his shirt. Nice looking belt and tie. His nose. Gonzo. And of course, his girlfriend, Camila, the chicken. We better hide her from Swedish Chef. Alright, bag number 6. I thought I got a double there. Alright. It seems like we got one of the old dudes. Wallader? I forgot his name, honestly. But we got one of the old dudes in the balcony cracking some jokes, making fun of the Muppets. It looks like you get 2 teapots, so that can be for the other dude, Statler. Yep. And zzz, the Muppets are boring. There we go. Hold your little teacup. Bag number 7. Let's see who we got. Oh, another Gonzo. No. It looks like we got another double. I'm not going to build him. Alright, well, last pack. The 8th pack. Better not be a double. Better not be a double. Better not be a double. Oh, it's another double. It looks like we got Rolf again. Not gonna build him either. Alright guys, well, that was the Muppets minifigure series. Might make another video about them. But it looks like we got 2 doubles and the rest are all neat ones. It's okay. I might give them to my brother or something. But yeah, that was my Muppets review. Opening the blind bags, getting 2 doubles. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. And see you guys next time. Bye.